Namaste and welcome in the session of Problems on Z inverse transform. In this, we will discuss how to get inverse Z transform for the given x of z. For here, we have taken the example where x of z is equal to z square into 1 minus 2 times z inverse into 1 plus z inverse into 1 minus z inverse with the ROC such that magnitude of z will lie between 0 and infinity. It means the ROC for the given x of z is the entire z plane except for the values of magnitude of z equal to 0 and the infinity. Now here let's consider the given expression of x of z. Now upon simplifying this term, we will get x of z as in z square minus 2 times z minus 1 plus 2 times z inverse. Now by the definition of z transform, we can express x of z as in summation of x of n into z raised to minus n, where n will take the values from minus infinity to infinity. Now from the ROC, it is clear that the expected sequence of the x of n is going to be the finite length sequence, because this ROC is we consider when the x of n is a finite length sequence. So now by comparing the coefficient of the respective z powers, we can find out what are the values of respective x of n terms. So here if I compare the term z raised to 2 in the equation 1.2 and the 1.3, we can say that for the value of x of minus 2 is going to be 1. Similarly, if I compare the term of z with the power 1, then from here we can see that the value of x of minus 1 is going to be 2. Similarly, if I compare the term with the power of z is equal to 0, then we will get the value of x of 0 is equal to minus 1 for this example. Similarly, the next term we are having, which represented with the x of n into z raised to minus 1. So by comparing the term with the z power minus 1, we can get the value of x of n, which is 2 in this case. So therefore our expected finite length sequence, that is x of n, you can represent as shown over here. So here minus 1 is the value when your n is equal to 0. It is the value of x of n when n is equal to 0. So in this way we can get the expected finite length sequence from the given x of z. Thank you.